Hi, I'm Marna,
And I'm Darren.
and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I have a long list today, so grab a pencil or a pen, turn this off for a second, run get a piece of paper, because I have a lot of announcements and opportunities for you in the YouTube um, Dolly world, I guess is the way to put it. There are a lot of challenges coming up and shows and fun things to do. And I'm just going to jump in. These are not in order. I was writing them down kind of, what would you call that? Holy moly?
Random.
Okay, we can just go with random. June 27th, Darren and I are hosting Beach Baby. That is, make a video of your favorite doll in the favorite swimming suit you like to see her in. Upload those videos, and if I don't mention a time, just assume that it's 10 a.m. Central on that date. And that is 10 a.m. Central on Beach Baby. And hang on to those girls or boys, because on June 30th, Tina's going to have a beach theme challenge. Hers too is at 10 a.m. Central. Darren and I host several challenges and events through the year. We usually do one every month, every other month. And then Dory's Dollies and I do one. We do three in each month. Talking kind of choppy because I got a lot to say and a lot written down, so forgive me. Kind of gives you time to write that stuff down though. Dory's Dollies and I invite you every month at 10 a.m. Central to participate in challenges. The first one we do in a month's time is a Maya Rain Day on the 3rd of each month. And that is any rainbow or shadow high doll, just any at all, but of course we focus on Amaya. We give a theme on the 7th of each month. If you watch both of our channels, you'll hear the themes for all three of the events. That is Amaya Rain, Dolls Gone Goth, and Hi Barbie. Dolls Gone Goth is on the 16th of each month. Hi Barbie is on the 18th of each month, again at 10 a.m. Central. Let me look here real quick. Let me jump around a little bit. Every month, there are some other challenges also. J Dolls UK and Playful Doll Adventures offers the Elf Doll challenge, and you can go to their channels each month and find out the theme. Irene Huff's Doll Space and Ambrosia's Dollhouse have now added Mama Bear Jenny's Dolls as a host to the Boy Doll channel on the 25th of each month. I think they give their themes on the 15th of each month, but if you go by Irene's channel, you can look real quick. Inspired by Pink Renee is doing a double take on the 22nd of each month. That is, we all have dolls that we have two of, like the same doll, and it's kind of a twin day, and she just asked you to show those dolls, maybe dress them alike, maybe not. Then on every Monday, there is Cheeky Monkey Monday by Cherished Reborns. Wednesday, Show and Tell Wednesday with Eclectic Wonderings, and Flashback Fridays with Dory at Dory's Dollies. Those are weekly challenges. If you host a monthly or weekly event on your channel and you are an active member on my channel, let me know so that I can tell everybody about it each month. On the 1st of the month, every month, the 1st, Irene Huff does Hodgepodge. And what that is just kind of showing what you did that month or what you have or anything like that. And Irene always wishes everyone that month a happy birthday. She's a sweetheart, that Irene. She's just a sweetheart. Let's see. Jumping ahead, September 7th. I just found this out and I've never seen it advertised or done anything with on YouTube, so we're going to. On September 7th, it's National Raggedy Ann Day. Darren and I are going to host a challenge at 10 a.m. Central for you to post not only your Raggedy Ann dolls, but any rag dolls. Darren and I host 3 events, and for us, they are a lot of fun. I hope others have fun too. In the fall, in November 14th and 15th, we are going to be hosting a fall fashion doll, and I think Darren is rolling over the fashion dolls I'm talking about now. These are your 15 to 18-inch fashion dolls like Jean, Elowen, etc. And our event is going to focus on the ever-popular Elowen dolls this year. We also do a Winterfest, which is going to be January 23rd through the 26th this next year, I should say. And that is for 1/3 dolls, any 1/3 dolls, but we focus on smart dolls. This coming March, we're going to do something quite different, and we don't have a name for it yet, and we also don't have the doll yet. But Darren is going to print rabbit dolls. Darren, can you scroll up to the current rabbit doll? It won't be like this doll, but it'll be somewhat like this doll. Darren's creating his own since we can't really use this one because of copyrights.
It'd be smaller. It'll be half her size.
Right.
It's
1/6 size, didn't you say?
Yeah.
And you're creating your own model pattern, right?
Correct.
And the whole weekend will be focused around those dolls. Let's see, what else? Oh my goodness, let's not forget that Virtual Blythe Retreat is coming up quick, and that is June 20th through the 22nd. That is hosted by Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Polly and Tapping Flamingo with her sister, Terry Jeanette. I love those two. They're 2 of my favorite YouTubers. I've known them a long time. I've watched them. I watch about every video they put out. Let me look here. This coming weekend, Puddle is already here. So if you don't have a ticket, you can go online, just Google Puddle Doll Show. It'll come up. August 3rd is BlytheCon. Now
Detroit.
I'm scanning, and that is in Detroit this year, yes. Oh, I overlooked a challenge coming up, and that is July 19th. It's a pool party put on by Never Too Old for Dolls. I told you I had a lot this year. Let me double check and see if I've covered everything. Again, the fall fashion event is going to be November 14th and 15th. I think that's everything. Now, if I have forgotten something, please contact me, send me an email at marna@dollsrescued.com. If you are an active member on my channel, I am more than happy to announce your challenge, or even if you have an upcoming collab that you're gathering people for. I try to do these on the first of the month. They don't always get done, especially in the summer. Darren and I have quite a few animals now. Darren has become quite the, what would you say, babe, farmer? Putting up fences and fixing this and redoing the barn. And we have a 100-year-old barn that Darren has been out working in. We want to thank you. Go ahead.
I was going to say nothing new. We've done all this stuff before, just not here at this place.
Darren, how long have we been together, babe?
28 years.
28 years, really? Wow, that's a big chunk of my life.
Yeah.
We have had animals always, and we've had a lot of animals always, and we've had all kinds of animals always. And on Thursday nights, I almost forgot to mention this, Darren. Every Thursday night, or at least we are live at 6 o'clock Central. We'd like to welcome you to join us on our channel live, 6 p.m. Central. And we show an animal each week. We call it E-I-E-I-O. I also try to do a real fast, easy craft for dolls. I've always encouraged beginners to, start with an easy craft and go from there. You can't make a complicated dress for a fashion doll until you've made a gathered skirt for a Barbie. Or you could, but it's a little harder. If you start with simple crafts, you will get to that fancy stuff. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Darren, anything else?
Don't forget, you also do trivia on Thursday nights with a prize.
Oh, yeah. And on Thursday nights, we also offer a prize for a trivia winner. You do have to be a subscriber to play the trivia game, and it is for the lower 48. But we would love it if you joined us on Thursday nights. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.